So Sam, what I'm saying is that what they have done so far is not so bad, but I expected to see a catchment pit. That catchment pit is meant to pack all the rainwater from Akokwa to somewhere and divert it elsewhere, not get it to a Ijele Obodoukwu market. Because when the water is not controlled, it ends up in our market. It will disturb our people. It will make make them uncomfortable, and it may flood the market and destroy the other road we've done. So going forward, this drain you see, they should align it in a way that it should go to a place where it will be channeled elsewhere. Then we are supposed to have 2 culverts here. You understand? So from the field we have two culverts. So I need to see where those culverts should be. That's the only way we can make this road last, because at least, give or take, this road should last a minimum of 25 years. 25 years, yes. Minimum. Yes. Because we are using highway standard. You can see the one I have done before. You can see the thickness of the asphalt. We are using highway standard, and I don't want to compromise it. I don't want to shortchange our people. If I decide to do something for them, I should give them a quality job. What they see on the highway should be seen in the village. So that should be able to take place. You can see this drainage. I'm impressed with the size, the width of the drainage. But all these small cracks, maybe when you address the maintenance before you hand over the project to me.
Okay, my response is that you've spoken well, and you've made the good observations. Like now, as per the culvert, in front there was supposed to be
that's from Akokwa coming.
Yes, coming. Yes, there was a natural lowest point. That's supposed to have the culvert. Okay. But after you might have put the drains, and also there's no need for that culvert. So now we're not going to take the culvert to the existing road, where there's already an existing road. Now we now cut the road. Okay. We are now going to put a culvert there. Okay.
So the culvert should be somewhere up there. When is the second one supposed to be?
The second one will now be around at the side.
From market.
Then this was not cracked. It's as a result of after the rain fell and rain had eroded some part of the soil. So when they now put this wall, you now saw these cracks. These cracks will be maintained. Okay. They are just some minor hip cracks.
Okay, what we're going to do is when we finish this site inspection, I will go back and look at the bill of quantity. Okay. Then I will observe some things that I needed to see, because there are things I'm seeing here. I don't think they were captured from the bill. I will look at the bill, then I will come back to one of it. So that is what I think we should be. But let us keep going. At least I want to use today to inspect all the road we've done so far. We know what we are doing. Then when we go to up Akokwa, where our community starts, we'll see what that place looks like. Then we'll take it from there. Okay.
The width is 7.3. That's the actual carriage of the road. Then 1.5 shoulder right and left. So that's the kilometers plus 7.3. That's 10.3.
But does it take care of this width? How do you so that we can also make it
salvage all these places?
So what is left? If there's any, can now become like an island.
Come again?
Island. The road island. That's an island on the road. Because the road actually is 7.3, that's the carriage way. Okay. The 1.5 shoulder, 1.5 shoulder, that's 10.3. Okay. So if this is more than 10.3, what remains will not be an island.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's the way forward?
The way forward is to start the construction. Then
the target time so that we can make What do you think
Yes.